Help you? Want to try sitting in your chair?
Yeah.
Ready? You can do it. There we go, almost. Want to sit in your chair? There we go. You're almost there. That's good. You did it. Yeah. Want to try again? Higher? There we go. You did it. That's really good. You want to read your book in your chair? You've got your book there, right? Now that you're in your chair, you can read. Yeah. What's going on in there? Can you tell me a story? Yeah. Good girl. Yay! Want to try again? Want to try again? There we go. Yay! You're getting good at that.